Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right mic and getting it live. Use a dynamic for close, condenser for room ambience. Position 2 to 6 inches above and angle about 30 degrees to avoid air blasts. Once connected, open your OS input panel and set sample rate to 48 kHz and bit depth to 24-bit. Then disable automatic gain control so levels stay consistent. Now arm a recording track in your DAW or recorder and monitor levels visually. Don't rely on sound alone. Now you build the clean capture. Set gain so peaks sit about 6 to 12 dB below 0 dBFS. This headroom prevents clipping. Once levels are stable, engage a gentle high-pass filter around 80 to 120 Hz to remove desk rumble without thinning keys. To reduce room reflections, add foam or a simple cardboard shield behind the mic and bring it closer to increase signal-to-noise ratio. Make a short test recording. Listen for mechanical clicks and adjust angle or distance until the keyboard timbre is accurate and consistent. Finish by editing and preparing your files. Trim silences, apply conservative normalization, and avoid heavy compression on the raw stem so you preserve transient detail. Export a dry WAV at 48 kHz, 24-bit, and also save a processed copy with light EQ and transient shaping for quick use. If you hear background noise or room hum, recheck mic position and shielding. If necessary, use spectral repair or re-record with a tighter cardioid pattern. This single troubleshooting move usually fixes persistent ambient problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.